This is Zephyr 4's propeller and shaft after it had been pressure washed. Quite a bit of barnacle shell left on there. Last year I used a brass wire brush on an electric drill to clean it off, but this year I thought I'd try something different. As you can see, it's called Propeller Clean, and it's a mild acid which should dissolve the shell remains. It's provided with a squirty spray pump, but I'm uneasy about using that, and in the instruction it specifically recommends that you apply it with a brush, so that's what I intend to do. I've decanted some out into a plastic container and I put my rubber gloves on, and here goes. Wow, it's certainly attacking the shell remains, judging by the foaming reaction. I'm going round it twice now, so I put plenty on, and then I'll have to leave it for 10 minutes to do its work before I wash it off. Well, there it is washed off, and I have to say I'm a bit disappointed. It certainly removed the shell off the shaft, but not so much on the propeller. But not all. I think I'll try another coat. Well, this is the result after 2 applications. There's quite a lot of shell left, and what remains cannot be wiped off like it says on the instructions. And this is after a good scrub with a scouring pad. I'll need to use a wire brush and a bit of sandpaper to get rid of it all, I suppose. So 5 to 6 out of 10 for Propeller Clean. It helps, but it doesn't really do a proper job. This is the end result after a final polish with 80 grit abrasive paper.